So what's going on here? We're setting the rate, all right, so I'm expecting a derivative. The rate in tons per year at which a pollutant is being dumped near a city is given by this function right here. Right now, there's no prime on it, but I know that this is a derivative function because it says rate. All right, so that's how things are changing, where t represents the time in years from now. All right, so this is an exponential decay function, right? So the rate is decreasing. Now, if the dumping continues unchecked, what will be the total amount of pollutant dumped near the city? Right, so if dumping just continues, no limit, like we're not going to dump for the next 5 years, just let it go on indefinitely. So what we're looking at here is an improper integral. So we want to find the total amount, so we're going to integrate here from now 0 to infinity of 2400 e to the negative 0.03 t dt. So first of all, it's an improper integral. Let's put our limit on here. As b goes to infinity of 0 to b of 2400 e to the negative 0.03 t dt. This will give us the limit as b goes to infinity of, all right, so what are we going to get here? 2400 times e, the function itself, 03t, divided by that exponent, negative 0.03, from 0 to b. So we'll get the limit as b goes to infinity of, now 2400 divided by negative 0.03 is negative 80,000, and then e to the negative 0.03 t. And we're going from 0 to b. Let's put in our upper limit and our lower limit. This will give us the limit as b goes to infinity of, all right, I'll write it negative 80,000 e to the negative 0.03b minus another negative, so negative negative is positive 80,000, e to the negative 0.03 times that lower limit, which is 0. Now, do you see what's happening here with this? As we take our limit, what is this? This is an exponential decay function. It looks like this. As we get farther and farther out, right, as b heads off to infinity, this whole thing goes to 0, right? It's an exponential decay function. The whole thing goes to 0. So what happens here now is that this goes to 0, and what about this term over here? This term over here, well, 0 times anything is 0, so I get e to the 0, which is 1. 1 times 80,000 is 80,000. And that's not affected by b, so there we go. 80,000 tons